Hello everyone. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you all the tools under the spot healing brush tool. The first tool under this is spot healing brush tool. With this tool, you just have to paint over the portion of the image that you want to be removed. It's just like using the brush tool. Once you paint over it, you can see that this object, the girl on the beach, has been removed here. I'll just show you how it works. So I'm going to take spot healing brush tool and paint over this animal which is standing in front of this lake on the rock. So you can see that it has completely disappeared now and it has been replaced with the background. So when you're using this tool, remember to adjust the brush size, the hardness and the softness. The next tool here is the healing brush tool. So here you can see the original image and next to that you can see the changed image. So with this you have to select a portion of the cleaner section of the image. Like here you can see that the cleaner portion of the image is being selected. So how do you do that? Once you select the healing brush tool, you have to press alt in your keyboard and left click on a cleaner section of the image, and then here you can see that the dirty spot is being removed just by painting this selection over it. So this is how it works. So I'm going to select the healing brush tool and then select a portion of the image and place it in some other place like this. The patch tool is similar to the healing brush tool. It uses a free form selection instead of a brush to duplicate another area on an image. With this, you have to make a selection where you want to do a little bit of patching, and then you can drag this selected area over the area that you want to patch the selected area onto. The red eye tool can detect the red eye color and change it to a natural black pupil color. This tool is very simple to use. All you have to do is draw a square or a rectangle around the pupil section. It will take few minutes for the color to change from red to black.